Welcome! In front of me I have Redmi Smart Band 2 and I'm gonna show you how to download additional watch faces on this smart band. Before we start, if you want to download additional watch faces on this smart band, your band needs to be paired with your phone via the Mi Fitness application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Mi Fitness application on the phone that is paired with our band. Once you open the app, tap on the device icon and here tap on Manage Displays or Band Displays. It will open the online store for the watch faces and you can scroll through it, find the watch face you would like to apply on your smart band, tap on it to select it, and once you select it, you can tap on the Apply button to download and install it. If you see this pop-up, tap on Replace and it's gonna replace the previously downloaded watch face with the new one. And once it's done, the watch face will be applied, as you can see. You can go back and you can tap on My Band Displays to check the list of watch faces installed on your smart band, and here we have it, and you can switch between them quickly by tapping on one and tapping on Apply if you want to. Okay, and once you're done, you can close the app. And that's how you download additional watch faces on this smart band. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.